Hello students, let us continue exercise 9.1 some applications of trigonometry. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Height of girl 1.2 meter. Length of girl 1.2 meter and height of the balloon from the horizontal line from the ground is 88.2 meter. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. After some time, angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree from her eyes. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. Find the distance travelled by balloon during the distance. Now find this distance. A 1.2 meter tall girl spot a balloon moving with a wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree and after some time angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the distance travelled by the balloon. Now let AB be the height of the girl, that is 1.2 meter, and CD be the height of the balloon, that is 88.2 meter. Similarly, HF is the height of the balloon, that is 88.2 meter. Let distance travelled by the balloon during the interval equal to x meter. Distance travelled by the balloon during this interval is CE. CE that is x meter. DF equal to x meter. AB equal to CD equal to EF, that is 1.2 meter. Now let BD equal to y meter and DF equal to x meter. Now EF is 1.2 meter, HF is 88.2 meter. Now find HE. HE equal to 88.2 meter minus 1.2 meter, we get 87 meter. HE equal to 87 meter. GC equal to 87 meter. HE equal to GC equal to 87 meter. Now let AB be the height of the girl, CD be the height of the balloon, AB equal to CD equal to EF equal to 1.2 meter. GC equal to HE equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 meter, that is 87 meter. Now in triangle ACG, angle A is 60 degree, angle of elevation 60 degree. So tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular 87 upon y. Tan 60 degree equal to 87 upon y. Tan 60 root 3 equal to 87 upon y. Root 3y equal to 87. And y equal to 87 upon root 3, rest of root 3, that is root 3 upon root 3, 87 root 3 upon root 3, 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27, 29 root 3, y equal to 29 root 3. Similarly, in triangle AHE, angle HAE is 30 degree. So, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular 87 and base y plus x. So tan 30 degree equal to 87 upon y plus x. Tan 30 degree equal to 87 upon y plus x. Tan 30 degree equal to 87 upon x plus y. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 equal to 87 upon x plus y. Now cross multiply x plus y equal to 87 root 3. Equation first. Put the value of y equal to 29 root 3. In equation 1 we get x plus 29 root 3 equal to 87 root 3. X is equal to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. We get x is equal to 58 root 3. Hence, distance travelled by the balloon during the interval is 58 root 3 meter. Hence, distance travelled by the balloon during this interval is 58 root 3 meter. This is your answer. Question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Let AB be the height of the tower, that is x meter. Angle of depression of car, that is 30 degree, and after 6 seconds angle of depression is 60 degree. Now let BC equal to YT and CD equal to 6Y. Again repeat, let height of the tower equal to x meter, let speed of the car equal to y meter per second, given time equal to 6 seconds. Let time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point equal to t second. Formula of distance equal to speed multiply time. Now find the distance CD. CD equal to distance multiply speed multiply time. Speed y meter per second and time 6 seconds. CD equal to 6y. Speed multiply time 6y meter. Similarly, BC equal to speed multiply time y into t meter. So write BC equal to yt and CD equal to 6y. 6y meter is the distance between C and D, and yt meter is the distance between BC. Again repeat, distance equal to speed multiply time. Speed y and time 6, that is 6y meter. Speed y time t, that is yt meter. Now angle 30, this is your alternate angle. Similarly angle 60, this is your alternate interior angle. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree equal to x upon yt. Tan 60 degree equal to x upon yt. Tan 60 root 3 equal to x upon yt. X is equal to root 3 yt. Now in triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, x upon yt plus 6y, x upon yt plus 6y. Tan 30 degree equal to x upon yt plus 6y. Tan 30 1 upon root 3 equal to x upon yt plus 6y. Now cross multiply yt plus 6y equal to root 3x. Equation number 1. Value of x is root 3 yt. Put x equal to root 3 yt in equation 1 and we get yt plus 6y equal to root 3. Value of x is root 3 yt. Value of x is root 3 yt. So root 3 multiply root 3 yt. Root 3, 3 yt. Now 6y equal to 3 yt minus yt. 6y equal to 3 yt minus yt, that is 2 yt. Yt equal to 6y upon 2y. Y cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. T equal to 3 seconds. Hence time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point is 3 seconds. This is your answer. Now do exercise 9.1 in your fair notebook.